Hi friends, welcome to Radhika's Teaching. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please tap on bell button and get my notification. Children, today we are going to discuss about the chapter Yeast Tanks and Groundwater. This chapter is taken from 7th class. Okay children, you look at this picture and you observe the water level is same in the all these wells. Okay, as 5 meters. The water level is in all the wells as 5 meters. Yes. If you can see this picture and you observe these all wells, water presents at the same depth. If you dig a well in the same region, then water presents at the same depth is known as the water table or groundwater level. Understood? If you dig a well in the same region, if you would water present at the same depth as 5 meters, this is known as the water table or groundwater level. The water is deep in the summer seasons and the water comes up in the monsoons or rainy seasons. The water is deeper. The water is deep in the summer seasons and the water comes up in the monsoon or rainy seasons. Rocks and groundwater in Telangana. Most of the rocks under the soil in Telangana consist of granite. It is very hard and impressive. Okay, you look at the picture children. Okay, this is the granite and the top of the portion of these rocks about 20 meters broken or weathered and carry water. Okay, top the portion, okay, granites, top of the portion are broken or weathered and carry water or consist of water. Children, this is the hard granite and the top of the portion of broken or weathered and contain the water or carry the water. This is known as the top weathered layer. Okay, the granite, and from the granite we have goes down to the next portion. Here these have deep cracks on them and contain the water also. Okay, this is about 20 meters. This is about 20 meters. This is about 50, from granite to 50 meters to 100 meters. Children, here dig the wells. Okay, while digging the wells, then the water presents in the weathered rock. But while we digging the bore wells, then reach to the deep cracks and draw water from them. The bore wells dug the bore wells help of the drilling missions. Mandals in Telangana state, predominant rocks are not granite. A small quantity of groundwater goes in these structures. Okay, for example, the Kadapa limestone available in some areas, and these are also very hard but greatly broken and gaps between them allowing water to accumulate in them. The types of Kadapa limestones are available in some areas in Telangana. Kadapa limestones. These limestones are also hard like a granite, but these greatly broken and gaps between them and allowing water to accumulate in them. Okay, these are very hard and greatly broken and gaps between them and allowing water to accumulating in them. In these cracks, the groundwater is available in some areas. The areas near to the great rivers like Krishna and Godavari have deep layers of silt and sand. Okay, near the areas Krishna and Godavari rivers have deep layers of silt and sand. The water level also depend. The water level is depend upon the water in the rivers. The water level is depend. Water in the river. There is a plenty of water in these areas and nearly 5 to 7 meters below ground in these areas easily dig the wells. 5 to 7 meters. Below 5 to 7 meters easily dig wells in these areas and there is a plenty of water in these areas. Groundwater. The runoff rainwater flows on knocked ground and there is no cover of trees and plants and vegetation. Okay, it is nothing to stop the flow. The runoff rainwater flow checked by vegetation and bunds. Checked by runoff rainwater. Checked by vegetation and bunds. Tank bunds. Build the tank bunds and vegetation means plant the trees and grass etc. The flow checked by the vegetation and bunds. This is greatly possibility of water percolating into the soil to join the ground water. The planted the grasses on the hill slopes where a stream starts. Okay, these are helpful to percolating water percolating into the soil. Planted the grass on the hill slopes. Hill slopes where streams started. And the small check dams are also built across the small streams for store the water a long time and build the small check dams for store the water a long time. All of these activities are helpful to increase the groundwater. Most parts of our Telangana that we are extracting water. Okay, we are extracting more water than recharging rate. Okay, in our Telangana state we are extracting more water than recharging rate. This means we are using over the groundwater. The water percolates down into the soil is also declined due to the cutting down of forests. Water percolates into the soil is also declined due to the cutting down forests. Rapid fall. There is a rapid fall in the water table or the water level by half to 2 meters every year. Okay, rapid waterfall. Rapid fall in the water level is half to 2 meters every year. Use more water than percolates down. Okay, we are using more water than percolates down into the soil. So in this process decreases the water over a time. There may be little groundwater, a rest for us. It's happening during last few years. It's happening during last few years. In our country, it rains 3 to 4 months only. The rest of the time, the rest of the months, we dependent upon the groundwater. In our country, it rains 3 to 4 months. Remaining time we dependent upon the groundwater. The rivers, wells and ponds, all these get water from the groundwater resources. These all get water from the groundwater resources. Can we increase the groundwater? Yes, we can increase the groundwater. How can we increase the groundwater? Okay, the runoff rainwater quickly flows down on the ground. There is no vegetation like trees, plants and stones, etc. The runoff rainwater quickly flows down into the streams and rivers. These runoff rainwater flow checked by vegetation and bunds. It is greatly possibility of the water percolate into the soil join the groundwater. This is why vegetation like trees, grasses and bunds are used to enhance or increase the groundwater. Okay? How can we increase or enhance the groundwater? Vegetation and bunds. Vegetation and bunds are very important. And over the last few years, great efforts have been made to harvest rainwater by these means. These measures usually taken for a stream or a river. This is known as the watershed development project. Watershed development project. Under this project, planted the trees and grasses and plants on the hills slopes where a stream started. Where a stream starts. The small bunds across the stream, okay, for the stop the flow. Small bunds. Build the small bunds across stream for stop the flow. And build the check dams across the stream for store water a longer time. Store water longer time. All of these are increase the groundwater and helpful to increase the groundwater. This is our today's topic. Remaining topic will be discussed in the next session. Thank you, children.